So, greetings. Today we're going to talk about, or in this movie I'm going to talk about printing handouts, which is one of the requirements or printing requirements I have in your assignments. And what I have up here is the online calendar. Now the assignment sheets will look an awful lot like this, but what we're going to be talking about right now is this instruction here, this print handout 6 slides per page. Obviously, you're not able to give me printed paper since this is an internet class, but you can create what would be printed, but it prints it or creates a document actually. And that document is what you're going to be able to submit with your assignment using the Dropbox. I'm going to go ahead and close up the assignment sheet now, or the calendar I should say, and I have open on my desktop this PowerPoint presentation. You'll notice if you go down to the bottom left that there's 15 slides here. And so what do I mean when I'm asking for a handout? Well, a handout is something that you can print that give and then give to an audience during a presentation. Now I'm asking you to print handouts 6 up rather than individual slides so that we're saving paper, obviously, right? And it also just is a nice kind of tidy way to give someone in an audience something to have their hands on. Sometimes that's important in a presentation. So what I've done is clicked on the Office button, hovered over Print, and I'm coming up to the Print command. I'm going to left click on that to open that. And you have a list of printers right at the top of this dialog box, and if you click on this down arrow, inside there is all your standard printers, your HP or your Brother, your whatever, Lexmark, whatever you might have. And you should also have, whether you are running Vista or XP, either one, this thing called the Microsoft XPS document writer. You may also have the Adobe PDF printer, in which case if you choose that printer you'll create a PDF file. Not all of you will have that, but I'm quite certain most of you, if not all of you, will have this XPS document writer. I'm going to assume everybody's working on at least an XP machine, if not a Vista machine. So I'll go ahead and use this XPS document writer. I'm just going to click on it. Down here in Print What, I'm going to choose Slides. I'm going to click on this down arrow and I'm going to choose Handouts instead of Slides. When that happened, this area here became active or available to me, so these options are available, but I don't need to change any of them for this for printing 6 slides. 6 slides to a page, because all of these default settings happen to do that well. I'm just going to click OK. I'm ready to print. In other words, I'm going to click OK, and I get a Save As dialog box. Same basically thing you're familiar with. I'm going to find a place to stick it. I'm going to stick it on my desktop to make my life easier. I got to give it a name, so I'm going to click in this file name area down here, and I'm going to say, let's see, printing handouts. I don't know, using the XPS writer. And I'll choose Save. See down here, it's working to do that. It's changing my slideshow current now into a file and putting that file on my desktop, a printed format, or a format that looks like a printed document. When it's complete, I'll open that document. You'll get a sense of what that looks like. It'll finish up now. I'm going to go ahead and close my presentation. I won't save any changes. It's just wanting to know if I want to save the changes of the printer. Here's my XPS document. I'll open that for you to see. And you can see that really what I have here is a represented page. It has the date timestamp on it. And there's my 3-page document with all of my slides. So that's one of the formats, or the handout format that I'll be looking for. Thanks for listening. Talk to you next time.